Alright, so a song that I wrote just reached over 1 million streams on Spotify. Walang iba ito kundi ang kantang Ating Pasko, performed by the P-Pop Kings, SB19, and the Female Alphas G22 for Acer Philippines. Ayan, yeah, 1M streams, 1.1. Ayan, sa Acer Philippines ko naita na page sa Facebook. Since the song was released and pati yung music video, thank you sa mga positive feedback ninyong lahat na mga nag-stream nito. Ayan, shoutout sa mga bulletin sa araw-araw na paglangoy. And I'm really glad that many can relate dun sa lyrics ng kanta. Okay, so story time na. I got to work with Ninang Acer through Acer Day nila. It's a song na Limitless, produced by Rad Kids and sinulat ni Pablo. Ayan, G22 yung kumanta nun, and I was the vocal coach for the recording and for preparation sa performance of that song sa Acer Day. That time, they were already planning for their Christmas campaign. And ayun, thankfully, through Flow Asia, na-connect ako kay Acer. And thankfully, ako yung napili na gumawa ng jingle for their Christmas campaign. Sobrang nakakakaba at first, syempre, and hindi biro naman yung challenge na magsulat for two amazing groups, SB19 and G22, for a big brand like Acer. Ang peg lang naman talaga is dapat heartfelt na makaka-relate ang lahat ng Pinoy. Not just Pinoys, but even whoever listens to it and gets to understand the lyrics, the message of the song. Dapat daw kasing level ng pagka-heartfelt ng mapa, which is a feat in itself. As I was starting to write the song, I just tried to think of how Christmases were when I was growing up. Ang Paskong Pinoy iba talaga eh. Even daw sa ibang bansa, iba pa rin yung Pasko dito. Kahit marami yung handa or simpleng handaan lang yan. Basta alam mong nandyan yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, malayo o malapit, yung Pasko mo kompleto. So doon lumabas yung linyang, ikaw ang aking maligayang Pasko. While writing it with Migs Ranieses, siya to, follow nyo siya. Marami kaming mga naging version and revisions actually before we got to the final form nung song. And as I was writing, I was trying to to listen sa utak ko how each singer from SB and G22 would sound sa mga lines na sinusulat ko. Doon pa lang pinaplano ko na, since I know their voices pretty much kung saan pwede mag-shine yung mga boses nila. And thankful ako, eventually na-approve yung naisulat namin, and which leads us to yung nai-release na song on digital platforms. And I remember nung nilabas yung music video, nasa event ako noon, and talagang hindi ko pinalampas, buti lang di pa kami naisalang. Pinanood ko talaga siya, and ang ganda ng music video. Naluhati ako ng slight, kasi just listening to the lyrics, even sa sarili ko, nakaka-relate ako. And I'm glad during the premiere ng music video, maraming positive feedback sa song, nagustuhan naman ng karamihan, and nakarelate ang ilan sa mga comments. May naita pa ako, naalala nila yung Pasko din nila, nung kabataan nila, or Pasko nila together with their loved ones dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan, so shoutout sa mga OFWs na bulletins dyan. And isa sa pinaka-memorable din for me this year is syempre yung ma-perform mismo ng SB19 and G22 live yung creation namin. Nung Acer Ating Pasko Christmas Party sa MOA, itong early December. Nakakilig lang makita at marinig. Again, congratulations, Ninang Acer. 1 million streams na yung Ating Pasko. Thank you for the opportunity. And shout out po sa mga bulletins na patuloy na lumalangoy. Share nyo lang yung song. And kung hindi nyo pa napapakinggan yung song, kung hindi man kayo 18 or bullet, try to give it a listen. I hope magustuhan nyo and ma-add nyo rin to sa Christmas playlist. Ilang araw na lang, Pasko na. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. God bless you all. Stream Ating Pasko.